So today we focus on problem solving session or on problem solving session. Yeah, see here. This is the question bank which I have shared with you in the classroom folder. See, we have some issue here. Okay. See here. We have in fact the first question. If you look at this one, this. An arbitrary vector x is an eigenvector of the matrix A, which is having three rows 1 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 B, and for any vector to be, the meaning is that for any vector to be an eigenvector of this matrix, what are the values of AB? For this one, see, we have to note one thing: only eigenvalue of identity matrix is 1. You take any identity matrix, its eigenvalue is 1, and every vector is an eigenvector for this eigenvalue. So we are making use of that result. So when you look at this matrix, for example, if you take this, if you look at this matrix 1 0 0, then we have 1 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 B, 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 B. Because here 1 is there, see here, because here 1 is there, and the condition in that problem is that every vector should become eigenvector. So these two must be 1. Why it is like this? I'll tell you. So if you take, for example, identity matrix of size 3 by 3, you have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you multiply this with some vector, this is x, one must get the some multiple of the same vector. This is what we mean by eigenvector. So what will be the value for lambda? Usually identity into this column matrix is same matrix. So lambda is equal to 1. That is the answer. So only eigenvalue for this matrix, identity matrix, is 1, and you take any xyz, that is 1 into the same vector you are getting. So that is why you have, if 1 is there in this place, if 1 is there in this place, A and B must be equal to 1. If you change C, other choices will not work here. Okay. And suppose a supplementary problem I am creating here. Suppose the same question if I ask like this: 2 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 B. If I take this as the matrix, then what are the values for A and B such that for this matrix every vector is an eigenvector? Every vector is an eigenvector. What is a vector here? Here vector we mean this, that's all. It must be is equal to, in this case, it must be is equal to, in this case, lambda into xyz. It must be equal to this actually. This must be equal to lambda into xyz. See, this is true for an for any xyz. So what is the left hand side? If you look at the left hand side, you have, if you look at the left hand side, you have 2x, then you have ay, then you have bz. That must be equal to lambda into xyz. So the only possibility here is, is that this a and b must be same and they must be equal to 2. If that is the case, then what happens? Then what happens? Our lambda becomes 2 into xyz. So our a and b must be 2. So by keeping this in our mind, this result, see I am using for this one solution for the first problem, solution for the first problem I have written here. So for the solution for the first problem, okay, not it is this, right. So we have a is equal to b is equal to 1. Now you take the next problem. The next problem here is, the inverse of a matrix AB0, 0, 1 is, that is the question they have asked. So for that one, if you take ABCD, the inverse A inverse is given by 1 by AD minus BC. Here A and D along diagonal will be, their role will be reversed and you have minus C minus B. So now in this case, in place of A we have AB, in place of B 0, in place of C 0 and in place of D 1. So if you apply that formula, the determinant of this A here is 1 AB. So 1 by AB into 1 0 0 AB will come. So that is, this is the answer here. This is the answer here. Okay, 1 by AB 0 0 1. That will be the answer. But it appears in this one that answer is not there. There is a mistake here in the second problem. Now look at the third one. How third one can be done? They have given a matrix A and they are asking for eigenvalues of this 1 1 1, all the eigenvalues of this matrix they are asking for. Okay, this one you need to calculate. This one you need to calculate here. So how without calculating, how can we say eigenvalues of, how can we find the eigenvalues of this one? So it is a simple one. See, how can we do that one? How can we do that one? I'll tell. Right. Okay. Now see, we'll see this third problem. What they have given is this matrix. We are asked to find the eigenvalues of this matrix. So in order to find the eigenvalues of this matrix, we need to write something called characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay. So if you take this one, determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Simply you do one thing. E is 0 an eigenvalue. See, because here you have, what are the choices? 0, 0, 0 is there. 0, 0, 3 is there. 2 zeros, 3 is there. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. But we have an idea here. The property is that, the property is that sum of eigenvalues is, this is the property of A is trace of A. So here trace means sum of the diagonal elements, sum of the principal diagonal elements, sum of the principal diagonal elements. So where is the principal diagonal here? This is the principal diagonal. So if you add that, that is 3 here. That is why trace is 3 here. So trace of A, that is 3. So when you look at here the alternatives, when we look at this here, the alternatives, first one A, for the first one A 0, 0, 0, sum is not 3. Similarly, the second one B is also sum is not 3. Third one 0, 0, 3 is there, and all the other ones are, 1, 1, 1 is there. Now you have to resolve this one. See, there is another property which says that, there is another property here which says that product of eigenvalues is det A. Now see, if you look at det A here, there is a rule which says that if any two rows of a matrix are identical, then determinant is 0. So here the det A is 0 here. The det A is 0 here. So here det A is 0. That is very important thing. So here det A is 0. So the product here, product of the eigenvalues is 0. So you cannot have, one cannot have 1, 1, 1 as a eigenvalue. So the alternative is, the correct alternative is C here. The correct alternative is C, 0, 0, 3, because 0 into 0 into 3 is 0, and 0 plus 0 plus 3, that is sum of the eigenvalues, is trace of the A. So the correct answer, we are not doing any computation. Without doing any computation, now we are concluding that the eigenvalues are 0, 0, 3. So that is how we do that one. That is the third problem. This is third problem, right? Now if you go for the fourth problem, the eigenvectors of 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, there are, that is what there is. So what you need to do here, so you simple thing is that you just multiply this matrix with 1 0 Similarly, 2, 3, like that you have to multiply and see, check whether you are getting a scalar multiple of that one. So what is that here? This is our fourth problem. Fourth problem, what is given? A is equal to, it is given that A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is given. So simply you multiply this A. You multiply this A by, you multiply this A by, that is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 by, now the choices I am writing. First choice. First choice is say 1023. So I take here 10. If you multiply this, what we are getting? The first component is 1. The second component is minus 1. So you cannot have this as eigenvalue. You cannot have this as eigenvalue. So this is not possible. This is not possible. So choice here, because you need not calculate the other one. So this is not necessary. What is the other one here? The other in part A, the other one is 2, 3. 2, 3 you need not multiply. That's what I am saying. So 2, 3, choice for 2, 3 is, you need not calculate this one. These two things put together A. Now you go for the second choice. If we go for the second choice, 0, 1, 1, 2. 0, 1, 1, 2. So if it is 0, 1, 1, 2, see here, if it is 0, 1, 1, 2, so 0, 1, 1, 2. We are going for 0, 1, 1, 2. So our choice is 0, 1, 1, 2. We will see that. 0, 1, 1, 2 means if I multiply this matrix with 0, 1, 0, 1. If I multiply this with 0, 1, what I will get? 0, 1. So you have minus 1 here, 0, 1 for this 0, 1. Minus 1 here, then 1 here. So this is also because why? Because this is not a scalar multiple of this. This is not a scalar multiple of this. So that is why the B choice, you need not check for 1, 2 here. B choice is also eliminated. Now what is the third choice? 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. So if you go for 1, 1, 0, 1, okay? If you go for 1, 1, 0, 1, this is how you need to go. 1, 1, 0, 1. So if you multiply by 1, 1, what will be the result here? The result here is, okay, 1, 1 we are multiplying. So 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So what we are getting here is 0, 0. Again, this is not a constant multiple of this. This is not a constant multiple of this. This is not a constant. No, we have to wait here because you may have 0 as the choice, lambda value is 0. So you need to check for the second one also. If you go for the check for the second one, that is if we multiply 0 with 0, 1, the same matrix, then what we will get? 0, 1. So you have minus 1, 0, 1. If we are multiplying minus 1 and you have 1, minus 1, 1. Yeah. So minus 1, 1. Again, this is not a constant multiple of this. So C choice is eliminated. C is not possible. So A, B, C are not possible. So naturally, what will be the other one? You need not do any computation. You can straight away say that 1 minus 1, 1, 1 are the choices. So the correct answer here is 1 minus 1, 1 1. You can check here. So if you multiply, for example, 1 minus 1, then what happens? Just for verification, our matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. You just multiply by 1 minus 1. Is it right? This is what we are, this is the choice. So what we are getting here? We are getting here 1. So you are getting 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So you are getting 2 into 1 minus 1. See here, we are right because this vector is a, I mean this vector is a constant multiple of this vector. What is the constant here? 2 is the constant. So 2 is a 2 becomes an eigenvalue here. 2 becomes an eigenvalue here. Okay. Similarly, one can go for the other vector, that is 1 1. See 1 1 also you can go 1 1. If I multiply 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 by 1 1, what we are getting here? 1 minus 1, that is 0, minus 1 1, that is 0. So you are getting this as 0 into 1 1. So 0 is another eigenvalue. 0 is another eigenvalue. So the correct answer is D for this one. The correct answer is D. Right. Next, this inverse we are talking about. Inverse, see, for example, here we have the formula. We'll try. This is the fourth problem I think we have done. Yeah, fifth problem I will go for. Fifth problem. Fifth problem, if I take, what is A here? A is someone can start working. Minus 3, 5, 2, 1. Minus 3, 5, 2, 1. Minus 3, 5, 2, 1. So if we apply, see, first we need to calculate what is determinant. Determinant is minus 3 minus 10. So it is minus 13. Okay. Then you have the, we have discussed at the beginning, what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 by det A, okay, into principal diagonal elements role reversed. So 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, and the other things, minus 2 minus 5. Okay, so we will get this as, please check this one, minus 1 by 13. Is it right? Yeah, minus 1 by 13. Minus 1 by 13. 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3. That will be the answer. Okay, please see that one. It will be so 1 minus 5. So you have minus, so minus 1 by 13, 5 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 5 by 5 to 3. 5 to 3 is the choice is there? Yeah, 5 to 3 is there. Yeah, right. The C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So C is the correct answer. Right. So similarly, we go for another problem. I will choose now. Okay. Sixth problem. The real symmetric matrix C. This quadratic form. I am not going to do that one. I told you. Next, you have this real symmetric matrix. Then AAT is always symmetric. That is what yesterday we have done this one. AAT. AAT is the seventh problem. So seventh problem, you have you simply need to calculate AAT whole transpose. So you have A transpose into A transpose. So A transpose is AAT. So we are getting the same object here. What is that object? The same object. The object transpose is the same object. Therefore, AAT is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. That is, we have seen yesterday. Seventh problem. Then it comes to eighth problem. The vector 1, 2, minus 1 is an eigenvector of if one of the given eigenvalues A is. Okay, good. See, I think if one responds to this question, it is good. How you will do this one? Okay, do we have sometimes better? Can anyone unmute your microphone and tell how you can do? Jatin? I think Jatin is there.
Yes, sir.
Can you suggest how to do this one?
Yes, sir. One sec.
See, can you give an idea? I am not asking you to compute. Just I want idea. Eighth
We can
question.
just multiply and check, sir.
Right. You multiply A with that given vector and
Yes.
see what is the scalar multiple. That's all.
Yes, sir.
That is some lambda into 1, 2, minus 1 will come. That will be the answer. Can you tell what is the answer?
Yes, sir. One sec.
Just you multiply that matrix by 1, 2, minus 1. See to that you are getting a scalar multiple of 1, 2, minus 1.
Is it 5, sir?
Good. You see, one thing I will tell you, you can check the answers also, because at the end of the document all the answers are there. Some errors may be also there. Please see at the end of the document, this document, all the answers are there. It
Sir, I
appears.
just checked the classroom. The document is not uploaded. Can you check that later after the class?
Okay, no, it was uploaded in the folder. I have uploaded yesterday itself. I
In
have
Google
uploaded.
Classroom, sir.
Yeah, in Google Classroom folder, I have uploaded all the documents.
Okay, I'll try to check it again.
Yeah, in fact, in the Google document only, I have opened this one now. In that drive only.
Okay, sir.
See, I have uploaded 3 things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Fine. Now see, because yeah, question bank I am talking about. Very good. So when you come to 9th question, the sum of the eigenvalues of this matrix A is, it is straightforward answer, just a trace. Repeated question. 9th question is trace 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So 9th question is a simple question. Okay. Then if A is that, the inverse of A is, this is inverse also you can compute, but is there a shortcut that you need to see? Can anyone suggest how you will do this problem without computation? Can you tell? Is there a way? Is there Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
How can you do this one? 10th question. See, I don't want any serious computation here.
Sir, the determinant will be, it's easy to compute the determinant, right? Since many things is 0.
How can you say that you are expecting the determinant to be 0 here?
No. 5 into 3, 15.
If you get determinant, then what is, then you have to go for that adjoint by detail.
Yeah.
Okay, that is one way. See, there is another way. You multiply A by the thing in small, that first choice. 502 multiplied by first column, 10 minus 2. Okay, you have 5 minus, that is 1 is coming. 502 multiply with the second column in A. So you are getting 0 there. Are you getting my point?
So can
If
you come again?
see here, you have A. You have 4 choices, is it right? Here 4 choices are there. A, B, C, D, something, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am saying is that you just multiply capital A with the matrix in A, small a. I will tell you, see. So, yeah. If you multiply that C, this one, I mean, sorry, this is something, right. Don't say this. Okay. So if you multiply 502, that is the first row of A, with this 10 minus 2, that is what I am saying. You are getting, see, quick computation, 1 will come here. 502 multiplied by second row, that is 0 something 0. So what you will get 0? Third is 0. Then if you go for the second row, 030. If 030 is multiplied by, if 030 is multiplied by 10 minus 2, then you are getting 0. Likewise, see, I mean, I hope you got. If you, maybe the correct answer is A. Maybe the correct answer, you are close to the correct answer is A. Without computation also you can do. That is what I am saying. Okay, 11th question. For a given matrix A, one of the eigenvalues is 3, the other two eigenvalues are. Can anyone tell how to do this? Can anyone tell how to do this? Can someone respond? Yeah, I will tell. See here. So you have the trace here. The trace has 2 plus minus 1 plus 0. So trace of A. Trace of A here is 2 plus minus 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, this is the sum of the eigenvalues. So one eigenvalue is, this is not eigenvector, this is eigenvalue. Okay, one eigenvalue is 3, already it is given. So 3 plus 7, 10 minus 5, this is not a correct choice. 3 plus 3 minus 5, that is 1. This may be a possible one, we need to check this. Then 3 plus 2 plus 5, this is not a correct choice. 3 plus 3 plus 5, this is not a correct choice. Some of the eigenvalues. So the correct choice is 3 minus 5. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 minus 5 is 1. Some, it is trace of A. So the correct choice is that. Fine.
So how did I get that, sir?
Again, see here. Are you able to see the screen? That is the, I'm worried. Just a minute. See here, capital A is given. Okay. One eigenvalue is given. One eigenvalue is 3, they are saying. Now sum of the eigenvalues is trace. So trace of A is the sum of the principal diagonal elements. Here what are the principal diagonal elements? 2 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 0 here. The principal diagonal elements are 2 minus 2. I think there is some, I'm not able to. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, good. Now it comes. So here the principal diagonal elements. See, this is the principal diagonal elements. 2 minus 1, the 2 plus minus 1 plus 0, that is trace A. See, that is what I have given. Trace A is here, 1. Now, one eigenvalue is given as 3 already. So, 3 plus the other choice, this plus something you have to fill here, plus something you have to fill. So, you need to get that as 1. So, this sum must be equal to, what you must have to get 2. It must be equal to 2. This sum must be equal to, what is that? Minus 2. Sorry. This sum must be equal to minus 2. But then 3 minus 2 is 1, it becomes. So minus 2 means here, that is the choice is minus 2. 3 plus minus 5. 3 plus minus 5 is the choice. 3 plus minus 5 is minus 2. So that is B. B is here. Three minus 5. Got it?
Yes, sir,
Is
got
it
it.
clear? Oh, okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. See, sometimes here this is creating a problem for me. Yeah, right. Next, 12th problem. Eigenvalues of matrix 1 plus A square. Yeah, right. This is a very good problem. So, can anyone suggest now? The eigenvalues, see, I want the PPT to be opened. Some problem is there in my, I think, yeah, thank God. This I'm worried. So good. Now I got. So if you go to this slide, I will tell you eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Most of the properties I have mentioned here, right? I'll come to this now. See, what is the question first? The question is, if A is equal to some matrix, then eigenvalues of 1 plus A square, okay, where I denotes the identity matrix is. Can anyone tell? You just look at this one, not this, you just look at this slide, okay, which properties one can effectively make use. See, this slide is available in Google Drive, again, classroom folder. So which one we will in fact try to, I will show. Good, it is not there here. It is not there here. You have to go for the second slide, I think. Next slide. You go to next slide. Eigenvalues of, somewhere else I talked. Yeah, right. Look at the fourth one. If lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then lambda power k is an eigenvalue of A power k. Lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then lambda power k is an eigenvalue of A power k. Right, good. So, what is your response? I am giving a hint. You make use of the fourth one. Make use of the fourth one. Can we make use of the fourth one? No, I think you have to add. What is the eigenvalue of this? Okay, good. This is a good problem. So how can we do this one? So it is clear that the eigenvalues of AR1, 2, 3. The eigenvalues of AR1, 2, 3. Okay, I will do this one. Right. Okay, good. So what is given? Let me see. Given that 13502 minus 1. 13502 minus 1. 02 minus 1. 0, 0, 3. Okay, this is the one. Now see, tell me. Now tell me, right, what is the characteristic equation? Okay, to know the characteristic equation for A, what is that? A minus lambda is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. So determinant of A minus lambda I. So determinant of A minus lambda I, here I mean, okay, simple way of doing thing is there here. Simply see, I want to know about this. Okay, I'm writing that. Determinant of, you just write 1 minus lambda. Along principal diagonal, you put minus lambda, that's all. 3, 5, 0, 2 minus lambda minus 1, 0, 0, 3 minus lambda. That's all is equal to 0. But this being a triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix, its determinant is the product of principal diagonal elements. So the left hand side now reduces to, the left hand side now reduces to, okay, that is 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Can someone simplify this? Okay, I'll simplify it. So we have.
So you can do it easier. So you can just take.
Tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir. So for A square, you can find out all the diagonal matrices. So all the product after multiply A square, just find it for the diagonal. So you get trace of A square. Then you add up all the traces of the three matrices. You get the trace. So sum of trace should be equal to the option. So it will be option C. 3, 7, and 13.
How you are doing? How you are doing? Tell me.
So first for A square, you find out only the product of the diagonal matrix. So only the product of that. First, instead of solving the entire thing A square, you only solve that for the diagonal. So we find out the product of the first diagonal.
Yeah, that is right. 1 square, 2
yeah.
square, 3 square will be the eigenvalues of
yes,
A square.
Sir.
That
yes,
right.
Sir. And then just sum that up with A, and then I will be 1, 1, 1. So add 1 and add the terms of A. You get the
Okay, based on that one, right. So you are
you get
looking
the trace
at
of the final, and you can just solve it.
Right. Good. Okay. Right. Well, then that's right. So what you are saying is that you have but there is a question here. Are you sure that A square diagonal elements are 1, 4, and 9?
Yes, sir. You can just multiply. You can just multiply them.
Yeah, right. I think it is right. You are right. And the last one is also right. So because of that only we are doing right. So you have identity only principal diagonal elements you are looking at, I think. Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
and here the R, yes, and plus, and so you are adding this sum, and again you are looking at the trace. That's all. Is it right? After adding.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good.
Yes,
good.
Sir.
Okay. So next one, the eigenvectors of real symmetric matrices correspond to different eigenvalues are. Now you tell me, this is a standard result which I have not, I think, included. The eigenvectors of a real symmetric matrix corresponding to different eigenvalues are. What can you say? The natural choice is orthogonal. They are orthogonal. See, you take any real symmetric matrix. What the result says is that this should be included in that one. In the slides, I think. In the slides we have to include. Okay. Okay. This is a good. So you have, if A has some symmetric matrix, like I will tell you here, say 1 2 2 1, or most simple one I will take. I will, because to demonstrate that I will. Most simplest one is lambda square minus 4. Good, that's right. So 0 to 2 0. You take this. This is a symmetric matrix. Its characteristic equation is 0. So that is, you have lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda is plus or minus 2. Okay. So distinct eigenvalues, if someone calculates distinct for 2, okay, for 2 what will be the eigenvector? What will be, what is this matrix? 0 to 2 0. Okay. So you have to demonstrate that I am telling 0 2. So you have 2, I am taking minus 2 2. Okay. Then 2 minus 2. You have xy. A minus lambda I into xy is equal to 0 0. Solution I want. Okay. So for this one, the solution is, you can reduce this R2, or you can y R2, you can take R1. R1 is R1 plus R2. So what we will get here? You have 0 0, 2 minus 2, xy, 0 0. So we are getting only one equation here. One equation here. That equation is 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. That is x minus y is 0. So x is equal to y is the. So any eigenvector for 2, any eigenvector for 2, any eigenvector xy, this is for 2, is, you have y, because x is y we are taking, free variable is y, so y into 1 1. So I can treat this as an eigenvector that corresponds to 2. If we take minus 2 as another eigenvalue is there, minus 2. So if you take minus 2, then you have 2 2 2 2. Yeah, good. So you have, what is the system? So if you take lambda is equal to minus 2, okay, then we have 2 2 2 2 xy. Okay. How I am getting this? See, always you have a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. This you have to solve always. Okay. So when you solve this, I mean, again, you can apply row operations R2 minus R1. So you have 2 2 0 0 xy 0 0. So you are left with only one equation here. You are left with only one equation. That equation is 2x plus 2y is 0. So when this is the case, you are getting x is equal to minus y. So eigenvector corresponding to this eigenvalue is okay, xy minus y into minus 1 1. So another eigenvector here is minus 1 1. Another eigenvector here is minus 1 1. Right. So one eigenvector is 1 1, another eigenvector is minus 1 1. Okay. So 1 1 is one eigenvector, minus 1 1 is another eigenvector. Right. This this corresponds to 2. This corresponds to minus 2. Different eigenvalues here. Now if you take the dot product here, orthogonal means both are here vectors. Orthogonal means you have to take the dot product here. Dot product means 1 1, the minus 1 1 transpose, I mean this transpose you have to take. So you are getting, I'm sorry, so 1 into minus 1 plus corresponding components, this into this plus this into this, 1 into 1, 0. They are orthogonal. That is what it says. So the answer is A here. Eigenvectors of real symmetric, only when it is real symmetric. Symmetric here in the sense, if you take this matrix, which is the matrix, this is the matrix. Here A transpose is same as A. A transpose is same as A. That is why it is symmetric. All the elements in this matrix are real. For that one, if you take distinct eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors, you will get there are as orthogonal. Here I want to ask one question. Somewhat this is related to the very first question actually. So can anyone respond? Let me see. Okay, my question here is, sorry. Yeah, my question here is, and just a little deviating, because how good you are at the concept of eigenvalue, eigenvector. I am giving 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a matrix. Find all eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Can anybody tell? Find because see the first question is it is similar to the first question. Can anyone respond? Anyone reasoning? I think many of Jatin?
Is it 0, sir?
0 is you mean 0 is eigenvalue, is it right?
Yes, sir.
And what are the all eigenvectors?
I'm not sure. It might just be a 0.
See, what you are saying is that Ax is equal to 0 into x. Find all x. What is Ax? Left hand side.
Oh,
because
okay.
you already
X.
claimed that 0 is the eigenvalue. Is it right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
What is left hand side Ax? X means xy.
X.
X means
can
just
be any.
xy.
Okay. Okay.
So you can take any xy. A into x
Yes.
in the left hand side becomes 0 0. Right? A into x. What is A into x? Left hand side I am talking about. I am talking about this left hand side. You compute Ax. If you compute Ax, you are getting 0 0, and the right hand side is also 0 0. So for any choice of xy, it is becoming an eigenvector. So it is similar to, see why I am saying like this, see why I am asking this question is, see if you take A as 1 0 0 1, then eigenvalue is 1 and any vector is eigenvector. Any vector is eigenvector. This is a special matrix, identity matrix. If you take 0 matrix, then 0 is eigenvalue and any vector is eigenvector. That is very important one. Okay, right. Now it is okay. I hope you can find this rank of this matrices, etc. So now this 16th question. 16th question, Ashwini. Maybe not there. Vinay,
Yes, sir.
Ashwini, can you tell how you what are eigenvalues
Can
of
you
this mat?
trace?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Can you hear
Hmm.
me?
Yeah, right.
The trace of the matrix.
So
So can you show
trace
me
is
all the options?
yeah, you have to check for all the options, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
You have the options here, right? 3 minus 4 minus 4, 4. So here the trace is 1.
Uh, 5 minus
So
2, sir.
now see the question is you have
So
if the
is it
trace
option A?
no trace here is 5 plus minus 3 is 2. Sorry.
Two,
Right.
sir.
Option A. Is there any other choice? Sometimes they may give another choice also. You okay. Luckily
No,
you
sir.
have A.
Yes.
Right. So and it is a similar question I think. The characteristic roots of the following matrix. I think it is straightforward. It's a triangular matrix 1 to 2. So you have ABC or square matrices of the same order, then ABC whole inverse. Can anybody tell ABC whole inverse? Vijay Kumar, sorry, Vinay Kumar, 19th, 19th question. Vinay Kumar,
Sir, is it
ABC, yeah,
option B?
option B, good, right. So 19, next 20, I don't, I think, yeah, can anyone 20? Look at this one. The maximum number of some error is there here. L1 column. What is it? Some error is there? Leave it. This is a similar question. Eigenvalue of AR. I think 22 is also. I want to change the questions now. This is also a simple one. How about this one? 25th question. 25th question. Can anyone tell? 25th. 25th. So you need to look at express y is 2. X plus y is 2. 2x plus 2y is 5. So if you look at the quotient matrix here or the yeah right or the augmented matrix, okay, augmented so you have 1 2 1 2 2 5. So if we take, yeah, it is straightforward that the problem has no solution, because if you multiply this by 2, you are getting this. So the right hand side must be equal to 4. Here on the other hand, you are getting 5. It is given that it is 5. So no solution is the answer. No solution is the answer here. Right. Next, determinant of this matrix, it's a straightforward one. It is 1. 27. Consider the n eigenvalues of a n by n real matrix. Which of the following are necessarily true? The eigenvalues are n distinct real numbers. The eigenvalues of n distinct complex numbers are the eigenvalues. If any eigenvalue is the real number p, then minus p is also eigenvalue. If any eigenvalue is the complex number p plus iq, p minus iq is also eigenvalue. Okay, the answer is D here, because there is the characteristic equation. If you look at a minus lambda is equal to 0 determinant. So if one is complex number, its conjugate also will become a root of that equation. So the correct answer is D for this one. 27th. Now look at 28th. Okay, this is a straightforward. 29th. Good. Now I want 29th question answer. Shiva Tripathi. Shiva Tripathi, are you hearing me? Shiva Tripathi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me this. Consider the system of simultaneous equations. That is 29th question. I hope you are able to see that. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, right. And then the system has. Can you answer this question?
So first of all, we will make it a matrix form.
First of all, we need to
Make it in matrix form, sir.
right. Good. Make the in matrix form. So you have 1, 2, 1. Yeah, good. I will help you. 1, 2, 1 here. 1, 2, 1. Okay. The second one is
Yes, sir. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 165.
165. 165. What is the second
Sir.
column?
Sir, 2, 1, 1.
211. 211. And what is the last column?
165. Sir,
What?
actually, third one is 1. So third one is 1 to 1, and the last one is 165. Fourth one
No.
is 165, sir. Third one is 1 to 1.
So there is a change in the order here. Is it right? Nothing else.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what 211? No. The last column I am asking about. The last means right hand side. You have
Right.
B6 and 5. B6 and 5.
Yes, sir. B6 and 5.
B6 and 5. Okay. B6 and 5. Now you have to see this.
Sir, the third column is 1 to 1, sir.
So third
Oh,
column is 1 to 1.
What is the first column?
First and
Sir,
second column.
the first column is also 1 to 1.
Okay, third column is 1 to 1. Right.
1 to 1, that's what, sir.
Okay, right. So now tell me what is, how can we do this one? How can we do this one? Quickly go for, here, is there a shortcut I am seeing actually? There is, it appears there is no, what is the
Sir,
quotient
two column
matrix
is same,
rank?
sir.
Don't worry about that. Look at the quotient matrix rank. Look at the quotient matrix rank.
Yes,
I tell
sir.
you shortcut. What is the quotient matrix rank? It is 3, I think. Quotient matrix rank, is it 3?
Yes.
Sir, can we perform
Yes,
column
sir.
operation?
Pardon?
Can we perform column operation?
No, you cannot perform column operations. Don't perform column operations here in this gate paper. See, everything is row operations most of the time. 99% row operations.
Okay, sir.
So column, don't go for column operations.
It's a symmetric matrix like this. If we change the column with row, like we transpose it, it will be same.
No, why you are bringing transpose everything here? See, you can talk about symmetric matrix when you are dealing with eigenvalues and eigenvectors only. Here you are not talking about that.
Okay, sir.
Here we are talking whether how we are talking about the consistency of the system here. See, look at the first slide. I mean, third slide, I think. I will tell you. Yeah, it is here. Oh, again, some problem here. Slow network, so that's a problem, right? Yeah, this one. Yes, here. Next slide we have to see. So, if rank of the augmented matrix is not equal to rank of the quotient matrix, no solution. If rank of the augmented matrix and rank of the quotient matrix are same, there is a solution. And that common rank is R. R is equal to N implies unique solution. R less than N implies more than one solution. That you need to apply here. Why I am asking is just you calculate this quotient matrix rank. Quotient
Sir,
matrix
I
rank.
think it should be 2.
Yeah. Pardon? No,
Yes, sir.
nobody is
Because
asking to. Nobody is asking to calculate the value of B here.
no, sir. The rank of the matrix.
Rank of quotient matrix is 2, you are saying?
Yes, sir. I think so. Yeah.
Oh, if it is 2, then there will be an issue here. So, right? So, more than one
Okay,
solution will
check
be there.
again, sir. 1 minute.
Please see, for me, actually, it appears
Sir,
that.
is there any property like if two column or row is same then the matrix?
No, here.
Something, sir.
No, what?
Like in the first column and the third column is same, no, sir? 1, 2, 1, 1,
No,
2.
don't go for that argument. That's what I'm saying. Here you think in terms of rows only. Oh, you are saying that, I'm sorry. So,
Sir,
yeah, you are exactly right. The quotient matrix is 2.
that's what,
Sorry,
sir.
quotient matrix rank is 2. Yeah,
Oh,
you are right, good. But then the augmented matrix rank cannot be equal to the quotient matrix rank. It all depends on the value of B. I think the answer will be inconsistent here. Can I climb that one? Okay, can I climb that? So we need to go for the, we need to go for performing the operations, except that there is no other way, other go. So if I perform operations here, so I have 1 to 1B. I don't want to do like that. I don't want to do like that. What is wrong in that? Yeah, right, good. 1 to 1B, good. So you have 0 here. Here 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Is it right? Sorry.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah, right. 4 minus 3, and this is 0, and 6 minus 2b. 6 minus 2b. Okay, no issue. Here it is 0. This is also minus 1, 0. Good. We got now. So this is 5 minus b. 5 minus b. So when this is 5 minus b, now the third one becomes redundant. That is, okay, third one becomes redundant here. So here 1 to 1b, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 0, 6 minus 2b. And if you take here, this is 0, 0, 0. Here we have to be careful. So something like it appears 5 minus b, 5 minus b plus 1 by 3, okay, into 6 minus 2b. Good. Okay, this is our matrix. So the conclusion is that it is not always consistent. If we choose, yeah, what are the possibilities they have given? We'll see. What are the possibilities they have given? Yeah. A unique solution, an infinite number of solutions, no solutions, exactly two solutions. So your choice is, what can we say about this? It cannot be unique solution. Exactly two solutions is wrong. Only choice now between B and C. So no solution you cannot say because it all depends on the value of this. Okay, the value of this. What is this value? So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then you have minus b here, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3b. Minus 2 by 3 means minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 5 by 3b. Yeah, right. This must be equal to 0 for the system to be consistent. So b value must be equal to 21 by 5 for this system to be consistent, because it all depends on the value of b. So the question is something wrong here. You cannot say if that is b is 21 by that thing, then it has infinite number of solutions. If b is not equal to that number, it has no solution. So he has not given clearly this one. So the answer is either B or C. Either B or C. Right? Right, I'll go for, because I have not discussed about Hermitian and skew Hermitian. Right. For the matrix, the eigenvalues are, okay, this you can straight away bring, again same one. We don't want to discuss the same type of problem. Okay, this is also trivial. For which value of x will the matrix given below become singular? Is it a trivial one? 33rd question. For which value of x? I think you can find it. You just find the determinant and make it equal to 0. Then you can get x value. Okay. Is similar question 34. I don't want to. That is a clear question. The eigenvector is. This is also clear. Why is asking for a plus b? Where is a plus b? Yeah. A plus b. Can anyone give 36 question how you will answer? What is a plus b he is asking? What is a plus b? Yeah, this is a very good question. I want so anyone please respond 36th question. What is your view? 36th question. Can someone respond? 36th question.
A into A inverse equals to I. We can use that formula.
That is one way. Another way also I will tell you. Determinant of, see, there is a property here. That property is, right. Okay, you have det A inverse is 1 by det A. Okay. So for this reason, if you make use of this, sorry, if you make use of this one, det A is 2 and det A inverse is half B. Okay. Half B. I mean B by 2. B by 2. So you have 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So you have 1 by 2 by 3. This is okay. This side, what we have, this side you have B by 2. You have B by 2. This side you have B by 2. So this side you have B by 2. Okay. So B by 2 is this. So B by 2 is 3 by 2. B by 2 is 3 by 2. So B is 3. B is 3. We can say that B is 3. If B is 3, okay, B is 3, can we say anything about A? Why? Yeah, you need to calculate in such a case that multiplication. So, good. A minus point, A minus, good. A minus A
So how did you
minus,
get 2 by 3?
okay.
Sir, it should be 6 now, sir.
So it should be
I,
6. Yeah, exactly.
I made a mistake, I think. Let me see. Why? It is B is equal
I
to 3
think
only.
B will be 1 by 3. Like B will be
No,
equal to
see,
1.
you have, is this right? Is this right first?
So determinant of A is 2 into 3, no? So like 6. 6 minus 0 should be 6.
Oh, sorry, that is 2 by 3 I wrote.
Yes,
6,
sir.
that is. Okay, sorry. Then. Sorry, 6, that is. I made a mistake here. So 6. So B by 2 is equal to 6. No. B by 2 is equal to? B by 2 is equal to then 1 by 6. So B is equal to 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Right, B is 1 by 3. So now the one relation involving A and B is enough. So that one is just first row, second column you multiply. First row multiplied by the second column is 0 because A into A inverse is identity. So A that is 2A minus 0.1B. 2A minus 0.1B is 0. 2A minus 0.1. So, right. So A is, yeah, you can now write. A is 0.1 by 2 into 1 by 3. I think 0.1 by 6. 0.1 by 6. So I can find the answer, I think. What he is asking for A plus B. A plus B, then what will be A plus B then? Is the answer there? Am I right here? Am I right here? It is. Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. B is 1 by
So
3 and A is 1 by 6.
so you can find A plus B. Okay, that's not an issue. We'll move forward. 36, 37. Okay. This is given an orthogonal matrix A. He is telling orthogonal. See, do you know what is an orthogonal matrix? See, you take any two rows, or I mean, two rows or two columns. Then, if you take dot product, it must be equal to 0. A into A transpose must be equal to identity. It must be identity. Given an orthogonal matrix, he says this is orthogonal. So this is not okay, sorry. A into A transpose is right. It is identity. This is orthogonal, he claims. Is it orthogonal? This is not orthogonal. He has given him. He has given some mistake. Okay, there is some problem here, I think. If it is orthogonal, then A into A transpose is identity. Identity inverse is identity. So the answer must be identity. C is the answer. But see, this A is not orthogonal. Please see. This A is not orthogonal. This A is not orthogonal. Please check. If you take the first column dot product, the second column, you are getting 2. you must get 0. For example, first column dot the third column is 0. First column dot the fourth column is 0. But first column dot the second column is not 0. There is a mistake here. So anyway, what if A is orthogonal, then A into A transpose is identity, identity inverse is I. Here the error is that there is some mistake in the first second column, right? Okay. So 37 is very good question. You don't require any computation. A transpose is identity, identity inverse is identity. Then we have this. What is this? This is a simple one. I don't want to. Next, this is also simple. It's an inconsistent system of equations. The highest possible rank of A. You see, think about this. If A is a 3 by 4 real matrix and Ax equal B is inconsistent system of equations, the highest possible rank of A is good. This type of question is good. So here what he says 3 by 4, A is 3 by 4. So you have A is 3 by 4. Okay, then Ax, your x must be equal to 4 by 1. Then your B is 3 by 1. Good, right. Now you have, what did he say? So, yeah, inconsistent system. Okay, then the highest possible rank of A. Good. So inconsistent means you have B here. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, some A is there. A must be not equal to, yeah, can anyone respond now? What is the rank of
2, sir.
2? Good, 2, right, fine. Right. So which one of the following is an eigenvector of the matrix? That you can easily do. 42, let A is 3 by 3 matrix with rank 2, then Ax is 0. 3 by 3 with rank, then this is also easy one. Okay. Identify which one of the following is an eigenvector of the matrix A. Find B. One of the eigenvalues is equal to -2. Which of the following is for the matrix is an eigenvector? Eigenvalue is equal to -2, he says. So you need, which of the following is an eigenvector means you just simply multiply this matrix by A and see whether it is a multiple of -2. Like B, C, D choice you have to see. 45, the top row of R inverse is. This is also, you can play the trick. Yeah, this is Z matrix, E and G are. What is the matrix F? Multiplication of matrices E and F is Z. Okay. What is F? E and F is Z. Good. E and F is Z. This is a, yeah. I thought of teaching this one. This question is from Sham series. Yes. So that is why I told you, you please look into the book I have shared. That is a very good book. Okay. So this is, what is this? Just let me see. Is it from the drive or somewhere this? No. Yeah. This is from drive. So if you look at the Sham series, I will show where it is. That question. I thought of including that in the PPT, but see, I need to keep all the students in my mind. So some easy points only that is, where is that? Okay, this is in fact a You can find where you will find. I will tell. Where you will find, I will tell this. No, it is not here. Yes, you can find in this chapter 2, algebra of matrices. Okay. Okay, I will tell you where this question is there. It won't go directly to that one. Net is slow. 27 page. 27.
Sir, I'm not able to find any documents in classroom. Like there's nothing.
No,
I'm
I
not
Yes,
have.
sure.
sir. Can you please share once more, sir?
Okay. Just I will show you. See, I'm opening from drive only. I'm not. See, this is my drive. See how you are finding
Sir,
this.
but our
Let me.
classroom there it's empty. There's nothing in any drive.
Which classroom you are talking about?
Uh, that will be so AICT, Braille,
Yeah,
not
that. See,
RP20.
I will tell you that. I will tell you. Just a minute. See, this is your classroom. Is it right? Are you able to see this slab? This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see. I don't know how it appears in your in your dashboard, but when I go to classroom folders, see I have many classes here. So if I go Prerana folder, yeah, I am getting all the 3 here. Why you are not able to see? I
Oh,
think.
so maybe it's just view only for you. You have to change the settings, I guess.
Oh, I have to see that. I'm sorry then. How to do that? Okay, I will do one thing. What I have to do for that? Because you have already, are you not, have you not joined in this class by using your email ID?
We
So
have
we are
joined,
in the
sir,
class, but it's
but
not that.
still it's not showing, sir.
Okay, I will see that one. Okay, I will share the link again. Okay, how can I do that?
You have to change in your drive. You have to go to where the files are in your drive, and there you have to change the settings to view from everyone from college with the college email ID.
Okay, okay, then I think it is here. So here I have to say anyone, is it right? Add people or groups means anyone CMR80, I can tell like that. Okay, I will do that one. Now, why waste time now? Okay. Otherwise, can I do from my laptop? Let me see. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm doing that. Where is this? Please see. Now I have changed the setting. Please see. I have changed the setting.
I
It's still
can't
the
see.
same, sir.
No, yes, sir.
It is coming?
No, sir. It's
Not
still the
coming.
same. No, yeah.
No,
No,
sir.
No,
just
sir.
now I have
No, sir.
changed the setting. I have changed the setting. Share. Yeah, anyone. CMRIT. Anyone in this group. CMRIT can see this one. Okay, I will do one thing. I will share the link also. Then it may be easy for you. Okay, I will share the link here in the chart. Just now just a minute. Control V. See, open the link now. Open the link. Are you able to open the link?
Yes, sir. Not
Now
sure.
books are visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. In that one, I have talked about sham series. See, when you are looking at sham series, the shams you can find almost all subjects in sham series, even your core subjects also. They are very, in fact, student friendly things. Okay, so how to read that one is very important. I will suggest you because for GATE preparation or for any competitive exam, I suggest you to go for sham series. If you are dealing with data structures, you can go. Or if you are going for example, that computer organization, you can go for that. Anything, in fact. For even mechanical engineering students also, many of the books are available in sham series brand. Okay. Now I will go straight to that. I think I do not waste time. Yeah, right. You please open that linear algebra book, and I want you to go to that 27th page, because it's a very, I thought of including in the PPT, but such questions whether they will ask or not, I had a doubt during that point of time. So I 23, 27 I told you, no? Right. I'll scroll. Don't worry. I will show where that question is, and then you can understand how sham series you can study sham series. Okay. Yes, this is my favorite one. Right. Matrix multiplication. Right. Square matrices. So you can easily right. Powers of matrices. See, so many of the headings are from this one only in the PPT. I think no, not this here. Special types of matrices. Yes, here you will find that. Here you will find that question. Don't. Yes, it came. Let A be a 2 by 2 orthogonal matrix, then for some real number theta, A is equal to this or A is equal to this. You have to make use of this idea. I am looking for this actually. Okay, right. We need to go for that. So, right. You please remember this one. Using that, we can solve the other problem, which I have told you in the exercise. Okay, which I have told you in the exercise. Where is the exercise? Yes, this is the one. Right. So it says that multiplication of matrices E and F is right. So actually, you simply take the transpose of this matrix, it is enough. If you take the transpose of this matrix, E matrix, then you will get G. You need not apply that also. So the transpose of E, this is an orthogonal matrix. See, for any theta, let me see the transparency. Yeah. So for any theta here, for any theta here, you take this, dot this. So cos theta into minus sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus 0 into 0 is 0. Similarly, you take other two. For example, this dot, this is anyway 0. This dot, this is anyway 0. So this is an orthogonal, and not only that one, you take dot of this dot this, that is cos theta sin theta 0, cos theta sin theta 0. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 0, it is 1. So norm of this vector is 1, norm of this vector is 1, norm of this vector is 1. So that is why it is an orthogonal matrix. So transpose of this gives the inverse. He is asking for, he says E into F is equal to G. G is an identity matrix. What is F? F is simply the transpose of that matrix. It is, you need not even apply that rule. That applying that rule, he has given in the exercise some problems in sham series. Please see that. Okay. 46. Next 47. 46 is okay. 47 is observed that A, right, then the matrix of A is, this is oh good, I want this question. For a given matrix 2 by 2 matrix A, it is observed that A into this is minus 1 into this, and A into some other thing is minus 2 into that, and then the matrix A is. Can anyone give a shortcut? I want only definitions and properties. Using that, you have to build what is A. Using that, you need to build capital A. Any idea? So, see, I will tell you what is A. Okay, he is asking for what is A. So, there is a okay. There is one procedure which in fact I don't want to. Okay, A is what? That is the question here. Eigenvalues of A are, according to this one, minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. And for this minus 1, he has given an eigen vector 1 minus 1. And for this minus 2, he has given eigenvector as 1 minus 2. Okay. Now see, we have diagonalization. I think it is there in your first semester also, diagonalization. Okay. That is P inverse AP is D. That is what you have. So here D is our D is minus 1 0 0 minus 2. You can find P also. How P is there? Or P is okay 1 minus 1, or P is in fact, or P is 1 minus 1. I think it is, I have a doubt here. It is minus 1 is here. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2. So now you are asked to find A. A is PDP inverse. That is the answer. That is one way of getting A. We need a shortcut also. You please think about the shortcut. Okay, you can think about the shortcut. You can find like this. This is all. This is an application of diagonalization.
So the options are given in the form of P inverse AP, so you can just do that.
Oh, right. I cannot. Yeah, what you said is right. So good. Yeah. So here how you will check. So corresponding to -1 P inverse AP. So correspond the correct answer is here I have to recollect whether that P is by take, yeah. So it is A. A is the answer. A is small b is the answer. Small b or small a? Is P inverse the same? See, for this, for A, P inverse AP, what did I tell here? PDP inverse, PDP inverse. PDP inverse means PDP inverse means PDP inverse. So I think B is correct answer. You have to check whether, because is there any other choice? So I think either B or C, but what is this? For B and C, the B and C are the same. Oh, sorry, -1, -2. Yeah. So C is the answer, I think. Please see, check this in this document. What is the question number? 47. 47 answer. 47 answer it is there. 47. B is giving. No, something wrong. 47. How can it be B? 47B. No, B is not right. 47. 47. 47. No, here is 47. 47. Yeah, 46. This is. How can it be B? Because here eigenvalues are -1 and -2. So C is correct, I think. Please check. C is correct. Okay. Okay. Then you please try the remaining questions. Please bring into my notice the difficult ones. I will try to solve in the next class. But my plan is that in the next class, I want to start differential equations. Do you want one more class on this one? See, if 1 hour we can
Yes, sir.
spend, 1 hour we can spend on linear algebra if you want. I mean, in the coming Saturday. What is it? You let me know first. Do you want
So
to?
we will solve first.
We'll solve all the questions.
Yes, sir. We want.
Oh, okay. Then we'll spend 1 more hour on Saturday. Okay. Please do one thing then. You try the remaining questions. Almost we reached 40 questions here. Okay. Whatever the difficult ones, you please raise in the class. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Fine. For now, I will close this session.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome. Good participation first.